forefront of electric aviation, and we developed the Tornado H920 to allow you to use either the Panasonic GH4 or the Sony A7S to capture amazing aerial video. What we strive for in everything that we do is to help you capture the special moments of your life, to tell your story.
The Tornado is a hexacopter built for professional use. The 3-axis stabilization gimbal allows you to rotate the camera 360 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, giving you full creative freedom. Create perfectly stable, breathtaking 4K Ultra HD movies, even under windy weather conditions, or extremely sharp 16 MP photos with a simple click of a button. Thanks to its compact and ultra-light design, you can take the copter with you anywhere. We've developed the H920 not to exceed 5 kilograms, which makes flying the Tornado so easy, anyone can do it. A landing stand releases undetectable in the camera's periphery for takeoff and landing.
Our remote control is the optimum combination of high-quality material and user-oriented design. With the integrated touchscreen that's built into every unit, you have full control over camera image and see all the important flight parameters. There is no complicated installation of external monitors necessary. Our software and hardware is perfectly matched. Satellite-based GPS data gives your flight better control. It holds your copter quiet and safe in the air. Safety is a concern, and the return to home function brings the copter back to you in the event of signal loss. Of course, it can also be used as an autopilot to land without the need of control.
If you want to fully concentrate on the steering of the copter, you can sync a second remote control with the Tornado, which allows a second cameraman to see the live feed and move the camera freely. As a result, complex camera flight maneuvers can be performed with even greater ease.
But the Tornado is more than that. With the Pro Action, our product is an all-in-one solution for steady air and ground shots. The modular design allows you to switch from the air to the ground in a very short period of time. The Pro Action is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal system that is perfect for your hands.
Weighing a mere 890 grams without the camera, the Pro Action is so light that you can hold it for long periods without your arms ever getting tired.
As part of our quality assurance, every copter is individually tested and must pass our highly detailed quality controls before leaving the factory. Be adventurous. Unleash your creativity and discover new perspectives. Your story is worth telling. Your story is worth sharing with the world.
The sky is not the limit. The Tornado H920.